In this video, we will show you how we use smart money trading concepts while US stock market meltdown for remarkable 4 times winning trade. We will show you the complete trade strategy and the breakdown, including ICT trading concepts such as daily bias, liquidity hunts, order blocks, fair value gaps, Judas swing, power of 3, optimal trade entry, and complete trade management. Our daily bias is bearish, so the smart money and the algorithm can target. Okay, so now let's jump into the 1 hour chart. Fib retracement from this swing high to this swing low, relatively equal loss here, which forms sell side liquidity, making a 15-minute market structure shift has been broken down with a strong displacement here, so which is the Judas swing. And also here you can see the daily power of 3 to trap uninformed traders, so the smart money can sell 5-minute liquidity sweep, grabbing liquidity and then making a 5-minute break of structure. Okay, in the 1-minute chart it had made a 1-minute bearish order block, and also it has made a 1-minute fair value gap. This, so you can see during that displacement it made a 1-minute change of character because premium area of this 1-minute swing leg. So this is where we place our sell order. Price came and tagged our entry, and now we are in a sell entry and our trade is in profit now. And you can see the price hit our first partial take profit target of 1 to 2, targeting sell side liquidity below this day before yesterday, hit our second take profit level. Okay, so we are in the micro mini Nasdaq index futures daily chart. So looking at the daily bias, we can see there's 19,000 big figure over here. So because of that, there's sell side liquidity below this. So the smart money and the algorithm can target to take price down below this 19,000 big figure. Also, you can see the daily chart was in uptrend, and over here with this push down, the daily chart has made a market structure shift down. So overall, the market structure is bearish. Coming into the day, our daily bias is bearish, so we will be looking for sell entries. Okay, so now let's jump into the 4-hour chart. So in the 4-hour chart, you can see the price was in uptrend in this area, then into a range, and then price strongly pushing down and then making a market structure shift. So the 4-hour market structure is also bearish, and now you can see over here the 4-hour market structure is making lower highs and lower lows. You can see the price is pushing down and making break of structure over here, another break of structure over here. Also, if you put the fib retracement from this swing high to this swing low for this swing leg push down, you can see the price retrace into fib 62%. So there's a possibility where the price could push down, and looking all these facts, the 4-hour market structure is also bearish, so we will be looking for a sell entry. Okay, so now let's jump into the 1-hour chart. Okay, in the 1-hour chart, the overall market structure is bearish. The price is going down, making lower highs and lower lows all the way down, and strong displacements and big down candles where price is showing bearishness. Also, if we draw the fib retracement from this swing high to this swing low for this price swing leg down, you can see the price retrace for the 62% retracement level, and after that you can see the price is showing signs of bearishness where it makes lower highs. So this suggests the possibility of price moving down, and also you can see there's relatively equal loss here which forms sell side liquidity, so there's a chance where the price go down and target the sell side liquidity. So this also suggests us the possibility of taking a sell entry. Okay, so now let's jump into the 15-minute chart. Okay, in the 15-minute chart, the market structure is bearish, making lower highs, and also you can see that 1-hour sell side liquidity is here, so there's a possibility the price pushing down to grab the sell side liquidity. So now let's see what the price is doing. The price is pushing down. So this is at 9:30 New York Stock Market Exchange open time. You can see a strong push down of the price. So here you can see the price strongly pushed down, making a 15-minute market structure shift, because in this area the price was in uptrend, making higher highs. So this significant swing low which made this swing high has been broken down with a strong displacement here, so which makes this a 15-minute market structure shift down. So now this supports our idea of bearishness and taking a sell entry. So now let's see what the price is doing. So now you can see the price is retracing back. So that gives us a chance of looking for a sell entry. Okay, now let's look into economic calendar. Okay, so if you look at 8:30 New York time, you can see today there are some red news, which is good for trading because it causes volatility. Okay, so you can see the price has gone up above the New York midnight open time after the London session, so which is the Judas swing. And also here you can see the daily power of 3 forming to trap uninformed traders, so the smart money can sell, and you can see the footprint of selling over here with this down close candles. Okay, so now let's jump into the 5-minute chart. Okay, in the 5-minute chart you can see the market structure is bearish in a downtrend, making lower highs and lower lows. Also you can see over here this green candle pushed up and grabbed liquidity, so it's a quick 5-minute liquidity sweep, liquidity raid, grabbing liquidity, and then price pushing down and then making a 5-minute break of structure down. So the market structure is bearish and then price has made a swing low and now the price is retracing. So now we can look for an optimal trade entry, OTE entry. So now we draw the fib retracement from this swing high into this swing low for this 5-minute displacement leg. So now you can see the price is reaching the fib 62% OTE level. Okay, so now let's jump into the 1-minute chart. Okay, in the 1-minute chart you can see when the price pushed down, it had made a 1-minute bearish order block over here, and also it has made a 1-minute fair value gap. So now we can see the price is retracing back. During the retracement you can see the price is making higher highs and coming towards this 5-minute fib 62% OTE level. So this is where we are thinking of placing a trade. So let's see what the price is doing now. So you can see the price went above the fair value gap but respected the order block, and then after that the price made a displacement down. So you can see during that displacement it made a 1-minute change of character, because during this retracement in the 1 minute or 30 seconds this part was in uptrend making higher highs, the retracement leg, but then you can see it break this swing low down. So it made a 1-minute change of character, so which gives us the confidence and confluence that where we can enter into a sell entry now. So what we are looking is in this swing leg down we are checking for a minor retracement back, and for this 1-minute displacement leg down, if we draw a fib retracement from this swing high to this swing low, you can see the price has reached above 50% into the premium area of this 1-minute swing leg. So this is where we place our sell order. So you can see now the price came and tagged our entry, and now we are in a sell entry. So we will target our first take profit around this swing low area. Let's see what the price is doing now. You can see the price is strongly pushing down. You can see every time the price is pushing down, it's strongly pushing down, which gives us confidence that the market is bearish and our trade is in profit now, and our trade is going towards our first take profit target. You can see the price is moving towards our first take profit target, and you can see the price hit our first partial take profit target of 1 to 2. So we take some profits out here and we will keep some part of the trade to run targeting further liquidity down. So we are in the 15-minute chart now, and we will leave some part of our trade targeting sell side liquidity below this day before yesterday Tuesday's low. And now let's see what the price is doing. You can see price further move down and hit our second take profit level. So this is where we exit our trade for a remarkable 1 to 4 risk to reward trade based on the trading concepts we teach you. If you would like to learn the trading strategies we use, click the link given in the description below to access the full free course and use that knowledge to get funded and start trading like a professional.